Bandon Ocean Breeze Vacation Rental is a very large and roomy home with nice views, located on the famous South Jetty just minutes away from Old Town Bandon. The spacious downstairs has a wonderful second living room with a TV, sleeper sofa, laundry room, and there's also a full bathroom. The upstairs is very open and combines the big fully equipped kitchen, dining area, and living room all in one for a very sunny open space. This huge home has two decks, one on the upper level and one on the lower level. There is also some views from the living room and decks of the ocean and the Coquille River. The beach is also just a short walk away. The upstairs has a master suite with bathroom and also a second bedroom with a second bathroom in the hallway. Enjoy the close proximity to Old Town Bandon, fine dining, world-class golf, and if you book this property during the 4th of July, enjoy front row seats to the city's fireworks show.